Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free RIPE NCC certification 2026. This is the online exam and digital badges you will get. So there is a list of the certifications are there. RIPE NCC Academy is providing the local internet registry fundamental. There is a internet registry and RIPE database internet registry, BGP security, IPv6 security, IPv6 fundamental. So these are the certifications are free, 100% free from the RIPE NCC certification. So providing by RIPE NCC Academy. So we'll go through the step-by-step process there. So discover the RIPE NCC Academy certification program, a professional certification opportunity for the internet infrastructure and networking professionals. The RIPE NCC Academy provides the certification exam designed to validate knowledge and professional skills on important internet infrastructure areas. Successful candidates can earn a verifiable digital badge that can be shared across the professional networks, LinkedIn, digital CVs, websites, and other professional profiles. So RIPE NCC certifications are available across the different level, including the fundamental, advanced, and expert. The certification program covers the important internet infrastructure domains such as the IPv6, routing, internet registry operations, RIPE database, and network security. The exam are conducted online with proctoring, allowing candidates to take the certification exam remotely when they are ready. Results are available immediately after the completing the exam, and successful candidate can claim their digital badge. For RIPE and CC member, 3 exam vouchers are provided each year per LIR account. So exam has no cost when using the eligible voucher. Voucher validity runs until the 31st December of the respective year. So this video provides the detailed information about the RIPE NCC Academy certification program and certification opportunity, exam process, voucher, digital badges, and important certification information. So this is the official Academy website and this is the official certification information. So when we'll open this link, you will find this page. There is a RIPE NCC Academy. So summary school and there is a choose your topic. So IPv6 routing, measurement tools, internet registry, internet governance. So here certified. Get certified. So become the RIPE NCC Academy certified. Take our online product exams, earn a verifiable digital badge that you can proudly share across your professional network. So these are the certifications. One is coming soon. 5 certifications are available. So this is the IPv6 fundamental, IPv6 security, BGP security, RIPE database, internet registry, and local internet registry, fundamental internet registry. So video library is there, horse RIPE NCC course. So there is a login process is there. When you are going to log in, you have to provide your email address and password, then authentication code. So any authenticator you can use and you can just log in with your email address and you can get that code. So next is that get RIPE NCC certified. So to register for the exam. So there is a option to register for the exam. So choose your exam, claim your voucher and this. So before going to this, you have to complete your course. Just like I'm just going one of this course. So click on this. So before register the exam, go to the dashboard and you have to complete the course. So I've completed the course, then I will get a mail. So just example, this is the course and you have to complete step by step process. There is a module by module is defined there. When you complete all the modules, I'll show you how modules are completed. So this this one. So all modules you can see done. So all modules are completed. Then after that you will get a email. So congratulations, you completed the IPV's fundamental course. After completing the course, they will guide you. All you need to do, forward this mail to exams@ripe.net and ask for the free exam voucher. So make sure to take your exam before 31st of October 2026 to earn your digital badge. So pass and earn a digital badge, and would you love to see it? So you have to provide all the details, and I've just sent a mail to them. So I've completed the course. Could you please provide me the voucher? And after that, I got a reply from there. And congratulations on completing the RIPE NCC academic course, a part of our summer school 2026 campaign. Here is the free voucher to take the corresponding certification voucher 2026. So voucher details is there. Okay. So go to your exam and pick up the exam from the drop down, enter your code and submit. So just I'll show you the process. So copy this code and come to this one. This is the page exams. Here you can see exams rep.net. So provide your name, your email address and choose your exam, just like a BGP fundamental. I'm going to RIPE database, just example. And we have to provide the code and just click on submit. So voucher is not valid because already I have used. So after that, you will get a mail regarding your this one exam. And after that, go to your dashboard. Here you can find so certified professional and access your exam code. So click here. Okay, I have already done this. Go there. You can find all the details. So they will send you the mail regarding this, and there is exam code. So all the step-by-step process we have completed here. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free RIPE NCC certification 2026 online exam and digital badge. So all the steps we have completed, and disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.